Here is your Monday market report for single-family homes in Lakeview, Chicago. If you are a resident of Lakeview, Chicago and are thinking of selling your home, here's all the data you need to know. Hi, my name is Hugo. I'm with Coldwell Banker, your Lakeview, Chicago real estate expert. The median sales price in April 2024 was 1.6, up 6.84% from the previous month in March, and almost 37% higher than in April 2023. So it's very good if you're thinking of selling. The sales price ratio is above 100%. Homes are selling for more than the list price. The April 2024 sales price ratio was 98.86, equal to the previous month and equal to 2023 in April. The number of properties sold in April of 2024 was 8, 33% up, and the previous equal as well. The average days in the market for April 2024 was 12 days, almost the same as April of 23, which was 11. So that's really good for the luxury market in Lakeview. The sales price per square footage in April was $389. The number of properties for sale in April was 22, which was up 57% from the previous month in March and 12% lower than April of 2023. The number of new listings in April 2024 was 22. And if you're thinking of selling your home in Lakeview, Chicago, let's chat. Let's go over more detail what your home is worth today. 773-550-4846. This is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago.